Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, so it is time, so I think let's just start with the class and people could just join us later. So first I'm going to write the terms that are important for telling times in Arabic. So we have asa. Asa means an hour in Arabic. Okay. Then we have ad-daqiqa. Ad-daqiqa means minute in Arabic. After ad-daqiqa we have ar-rubu. Okay. Ar-rubu literally means a quarter in Arabic. So a quarter of an hour is like 15 minutes. So for this purpose, for the purpose of this lesson, we would say that a rubu is 15 minutes. After a rubu, we have a sulus. A sulus again literally means 1/3 in Arabic. So 1/3 of an hour is like 20 minutes. So for the purpose of this lesson, we would say that a sulus is 20 minutes. After this, we have an-nisf. An-nisf, I think most of you already know, is half, and half an hour is like 30 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum. Brother, can you just write next to 20 minutes, 1/3 of an hour for Solus?
1/3 of an hour. Okay, I could do that.
Yeah.
I could just like this. Okay.
Yeah, just for reminding.
Or do you want me to just remove the 20 minutes and write 1/3 of an hour?
You can keep both.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, Jazakallah khair.
Okay, now I'm going to like choose few model times or sample times through which we are going to tell time. So let me just do it quickly. Okay. So first, 10 o'clock, these times like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, these are the easiest ones. All you got to do is just write a sa followed by the ordinal number of that number. Like for example, for 10 o'clock, we would say Asaatul. What's the ordinal number of 10? Do any of you remember?
Hadi?
Ashir. Ashira, yes. Okay. And if it was 8 o'clock, then what would it have been?
الثامنة.
Yeah, as-sa'atu saminatu. So these are the easiest. Okay. Okay. And then another method of telling time which is followed by the minutes is you first write asa followed by the ordinal number and then a daqiqa followed by the ordinal number. So like asa'atul, what's the hour? And so I would say al-ashir. Followed by a daqiqa. Al-khamisa. Got it? So now you guys are going to tell me that what's going to be this one. Follow the model of the above one, like 10-5. Just tell me how are you going to write the 10-2?
الساعة العاشرة
Yes.
والدقيقة والدقيقة العاشرة.
Yes, perfect. الساعة العاشرة الدقيقة العاشرة. Okay, this video is also being recorded, okay? I'm telling because a sister has turned on her video, so I'm just informing her that this video is being recorded. So, okay, I think I wrote. Okay, now coming to this one. So, how would we say this in English first? In English?
10:15.
Yeah, we could say like 10:15, right? 10:15. So in Arabic, when we say 10:15, we would say as-sa'atul ashira. What was the word for quarter that I wrote above?
والربع.
Yes. So we just say as-sa'atul ashira farruq. Okay. And same is the model for this one. As-sa'atul ashira. What would be the verb?
والثلث.
Thuluth, yes. Perfect. Okay, let's just leave this one for now and let's go to this one. So anyone? How would we tell this one?
الساعة العاشرة والنصف.
Yes, as-sa'atul ashira one nisf. Okay, these were the easy one. I think we could do this one also. So how would we tell this one in English first? First, tell me in English. We could say
11.
yeah, 11:15. Okay. So when we go to Arabic, we write it. Can someone tell me the ordinal number of 11?
هادية.
الحادية العشرة.
Yeah, al-hadiyatu ashra. But it's not al-hadiyatu, it's al-hadiyata.
Sorry, حادية. Yeah.
Okay, now exception. Okay. Illa, what would come over here? Anyone? Quarter.
ربعا.
Yeah.
ربعا.
It's illa of exception, so this would be nasab. Okay, so it would be ruban. Everyone? I think this is same also. Okay, now this one. I think you
الساعة الحادية العشرة إلا ثلث
Sulusa.
ثلثا sorry ثلثا.
Yeah, illa sulsa. Yes, you could say sulsa, or if you want to like do a work, you could say sulsa. So it's going to be now let's do this one. First, let's do this. So now here we need to write three terms. We need to write hour, then we need to write half an hour, and then we need to write 5 minutes. Okay, by the way, you could use this model with everyone, this ad-daqiqa. But the only thing is that for then you would need to like remember the ordinal numbers for all of them. Like for 15, you could have written as-sa'atul ashiratu wa daqiqatul al-hadiyata. Okay? Like if you are using this model, then as-sa'atu will be followed by the ordinal number of the hour, and then what daqiqatu would also be followed by the ordinal number of the of the minutes. These are just the different like methods or formulas that I'm going to tell, so that we are familiar with all the methods that are available over there to tell the time, just like in English. As-sa'atul ashira, one is so this is the trick in this one. In this one, you don't write like ordinal number. You have to write the proper number. And the reason for that is because you are sort of doing mathematics. You are adding a number, because you said 10:30 plus 5 minutes. Just a trick that I'm telling you to remember this one. Any questions regarding this one?
In this, we don't need to mention the ad-daqiq.
Yeah, because we cannot add those. If you are adding, if you are going for that model at daqiqa, then you can only write two terms: asa followed by ordinal number, what daqiqa followed by ordinal number. If you are going for that model, then you would need to remember the ordinal number of 35.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now this one again, we could go for what I'm going to do is I'm again going to write three terms. I'm going to write 10, then I'm going to write 45, and then I'm going to write plus 5. So it is sort of the above model that I just wrote. So it's better if you guys tell me so that I know that you're also getting it. So how would I write this one?
الساعة الحادية عشرة إلى ربع وخمسة.
Okay, I have to go somewhere. Yes, please repeat.
الساعة الحادية عشرة إلى ربع وخمسة.
الساعة الحادية
عشرة.
Yes. عشرة.
إلى ربع.
No, not إلا. First tell me okay, sure, you're going for that model. Okay, right. And then it's illa and
ربع.
why ruba? Ruba is 15. How many minutes do you need to subtract? You wrote 11 o'clock except
10 minutes.
yeah, 10 minutes.
No,
10 minutes.
إلى
Okay.
عشرة.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you wrote 11 o'clock except 10.
Yeah.
And there was another other way also. You could have written this one like As-sa'atul ashirata wa
Welcomes.
khams, and we have to write the daqaiq also.
Brother Basit, is it correct? As-sa'atul hadiyatal asharata illa rub'an wa khamsa?
Just a minute, please.
Oh, it's correct. I'm sorry. Correct.
Yeah. Now what were you saying, please? I think Sister
I
Fahima was
thought it's
saying,
like
right?
10:50. I thought it's going to be 11. So like as-sa'atul hadiyatal asharata illa rub'an wa khamsu.
Illa ruban wa khamsu.
Like
Okay,
how you wrote
let me write
10:45.
it. Let me write it down first. Yes, please. Now repeat. Sa.
What are as-sa'atu
Yes.
al-hadiyata al-asharata
Okay, let me write this one. Al-hadiyata. Yes.
al-asharata
Yes.
illa rub'an wa khamsu.
I think it's like what you call a bit weird because illa and then again adding. So you are adding and subtracting at the same time. You either use wow like add, or you either subtract.
No, what I thought is 10:45 is mm, uh then we add more 10, like 10:50. I thought like that. More 5 minutes.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you. That either you use illa, like you just write a complete hour, like 11 hour, or even 11:30 or 10:30, and then just subtract. Okay, or either you just add to this.
Okay.
Okay, we have got we have got these two choices.
Okay.
Could you say الساعة الحادية عشرة إلا سدسا or something like that?
Saatul hadiyata. Yes, brother. Ashira.
الساعة الحادية عشرة إلا سدسا.
Yeah. So this would mean 10:40.
سدسا.
10:40.
سدس. Not
So
ثلثا.
like with the
سدس.
fatwa. No, we cannot, because this is an Arabic book. When we have like illa of mustasna, then the ism following it is always nasab. This is actually one of those
Sorry, say that again?
rules that we have like this illa of mustasna, this one, then the ism that is following this illa is nasab. This is actually one of the rules that Ustaz didn't taught us. I was discussing this with Sister Ilham yesterday, and she sent me the beautiful notes about like the conditions of the nasab, 16 conditions of nasab that are there in Arabic. So this is one of those conditions that when we have like this illa of mustasna, then the ism that is following this illa of mustasna is supposed to be nasab, mansub. So you have to write it like this.
Yeah. Wait, let me write down what I want to say.
Yes.
Let's go in chat. I sent it on chat.
You sent in the chat. Yeah. Illa sudusa. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah. So sudus is 10 minutes.
Yeah, 1/6 of an hour, right?
Yeah, it is 1/6 of an hour. Right? Yeah, it would be correct. Okay, it would be correct. It would be correct. Yes. Let me write it down what brother just wrote. Yes, this would be correct. This would mean 1050. Did everyone get this point of brother Fatin? Is everyone clear?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, okay.
I'm a bit confused on what you wrote next to 1050. You said الساعة العاشرة والربع وخمس دقائق.
Yeah, let
Right?
me explain. Asaatul Ashira is 10. Okay, it's
Uh-huh.
not robe. Yes. It's not robe. It's not robe. You're right. Because robe is just 15 minutes, right? Yeah, so this would mean like 10:20. Yes. It's not robe. So let us say, thank you for correcting me.
No problem.
Yeah. I think this would be the proper way going about it. Illa Fajr. This would be correct. Okay, when I write except 10, am I writing the number 10 correct? Because I'm getting confused about this writing number 10 proper number. Can someone confirm? Like just this portion. Ashrapa portion.
I'm not sure if it's supposed to be feminine or not.
Yeah. Okay, we would confirm this. Is Sister Ilham with us? I think she must be driving to work right now. Brother Aziz, could you confirm this one?
I'm not sure, Akhi. I'm a little rusty on the time. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's fine. I would confirm this and then post in the group because I wrote it correctly, but I'm not sure about writing the number 10. That would it be like feminine or masculine over here? I think it would be feminine. So,
Yes, that is my question. You wrote everyone as a masculine, like Salasan and Rabuan, but this is the feminine, Ashra with Ta marbuta.
yeah, that's actually a good observation.
Well, I don't think
Okay. Hold on. No,
is
it would be
fraction.
okay. I got it. It would be like this. You know why? What we are intending is actually the minutes. Like it's 1/4 of the minutes, and minutes. The singular of minutes is a daqiqa, right? And when we are writing like numbers like this, you see, I'm writing over here is masculine. Reason for it is because the singular of the daqiq is daqiqa. And Ustaz taught us that when we are writing numbers like these in the form of mudaf, mudaf ilay, mudaf would be masculine, the mudaf ilay singular is feminine. Like gender of mudaf is it the gender of the singular of the mudaf ilay. Got it? Or should I write it down? Okay, let me write it down.
So are you saying it's sort of like إلا 10 دقائق?
Yeah, it is the qaik. It is the qaik.
This rule of mudaf with the different gender, opposite gender, is only from digit 7 to 10. Yes, 7 to 10. Yes, we are within that.
7 to 10 or 1 to 10? 3 to 10.
No.
It's
3
3
to 10.
3 to 10.
3 to 10.
Yeah.
Sorry, I said 7. 3 to 10.
Yes. I think it's going to be this. Yes. Reason for
and
this
is it?
being, reason for this being is whether you were saying something.
Oh, Brother Basit, I think I recall with the I think there's a sukoon on the ashra, if I recall from the
Let
Medina
me-
book, but I could be wrong.
Okay, I think when this is masculine, there's a fatha. When it's feminine, there's a sukoon.
Both are
Yeah,
fine.
and
You can
this is
use
the
them with
feminine
fatha.
usage, ashra daqa. So I think it would be asharatu rijalin, and then ashru nisa'in, if I recall correctly. But
No, I reviewed numbers yesterday. Ustad said both are correct. You can either say ashra or you can say ashara. With the sukoon and fatha, both are correct.
Yeah, she's right. Like actually, I have heard that in Saudi Arabia, in general language, they use usher. Yes, you're right. That.
Okay, so I could even put a sukoon over here.
I think I heard there's a rule for that though. I heard that depending on the word after it, I think it was something related to gender or something. Or
That rule is
depending on
simple.
No.
the
That
word
rule is
after
simple.
it, then you'll have a second in the
Yeah,
middle or
that
not.
rule is simple. You know, when we are writing like 5 men or 6 women, so what the rule is that now this is the number, right? This number is like qualifying this. This actually meant 10 minutes. Now, if the singular of minute was masculine, this would have been feminine. Okay, but because the singular of minutes is daqiqa, which is feminine, so this would be masculine. This is the rule.
No, I'm saying that there's a rule for the sukoon on the ashra. There's a rule.
Okay, that one I don't know
Well,
about.
yeah, the sister may be correct that both are that both are correct, but just a simple basic one that I recall from the Medina textbook. I think Medina book 2 in like lesson 3, I believe. I think it is for the when you're counting feminine items, it would be ashru something, like ashru nisa'in, 10 women, and then 10 men would be asharatu with the fatha, rijalan. That's like the basic thing I think the Medina textbook talk. But she may be correct too that that both are acceptable. So I don't know that.
So, brother, I
I can
think you could
check.
do,
I think you're right, but I think it changes when you're using like
No, the brother
a
just said
hadashar.
the brother just said he's absolutely correct. Actually, the one thing that we are saying that is supposed to be same, ashara or ashar, both are correct. Actually, like sukoon or this the mud, both are correct. But yes, the brother who just said about the we put the ta marbuta for to make it feminine, or without that it's masculine.
Brother Rajiv, could you please send the PDF or the link of the note that you were mentioning of the Medina book after the class?
Sure, inshallah. I'll look for it right now, and I may even be able to send it in the text chat here. But if not, I'll send it in the group afterwards.
Jazakallahu khairan, ya akhi. Okay, so we are left with these two now. Yeah, so this would be again 10:30 except 5 minutes. Okay, 10:30 except 5 minutes. So, yes, anyone? Brother Fatin, why don't you try this one?
الساعة العاشرة والنصف إلا
I think
إلا خمسة
it's one nisf, or is it one nosf? I think it's one nisf.
والنصف, yeah. Did I say والنصف?
I think you put like Dhamma over noon.
Yeah, you know, in Egyptian, they say والنص.
Okay. What about
So
Fusha?
maybe I confused it.
What
Huh?
about Fusha?
Sorry?
What about the Fusha, like the standard Arabic?
Yeah, I think you're right. والنصف, right?
Yeah, okay, then
إلا خمسة.
إلا 5 دقائق.
Yeah, إلا 5 دقائق, yeah. I just saying I might have confused it with the Egyptian one because I'm Egyptian.
That's
My
fine.
family is Egyptian.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, did we cover everything? Yeah, except this last one. Who's going to do this one? It's 11 o'clock except 5 minutes. Sister Fahima, would you want to do this one?
No, Brother Basit, I'm completely confused. So I'll just go through this recordings again and I'll go it again. I'll try it again.
Okay, but you asked if you are confused, like what is confusing you? We could try to solve your confusion.
I was okay up till there, but from 10:50, I got
10:50 is like 11 o'clock, and then you have to subtract the 10 minutes. Okay, so we say 11 o'clock. Like you could assume for your understanding that illa is like minus 11 o'clock minus 10 minutes.
minus 10. Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Same as with 10:55.
Yeah. So you would say 11 o'clock minus
11
5
o'clock.
minutes.
11 o'clock minus
5 minutes.
minus
Yeah.
5 minutes. Yeah. So الساعة الحادية عشرة إلا 5 دقائق.
Perfect. Alhamdulillah. So now if anyone has any questions regarding any of this.
I have a question.
Please.
For 10:05, we use as-sa'atul ashirata wa
daqiqatul khamisah.
daqiqatul khamisata. But when we go to 10:35, we say as-sa'atul ashirata wan nisfa. As-sa'atul ashiratu wan nisfu. We can't use wal daqa'iqul khamisatu. Yeah.
Yeah, sister. So this model you could use for everything. But thing is that if you are using this model, then you would need to use the ordinal number of the minute as well. Okay. So currently, for myself, I only know the ordinal numbers up till like 19. So, but if you know like 35 also, you could say as-sa'atul ashiratu wa daqiqatu followed by the ordinal number of 35.
Okay.
Got it?
If we are going to add, then we are not going to use the ordinal number.
No, you can't, because you see mathematics can only be found on the proper numbers, not on the ordinal numbers.
Okay. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah. Yes, any other questions?
So we are using ordinal numbers when we are adding, and when we are not
No,
using
sister.
the ordinal
No.
numbers.
We are not using ordinal numbers when we are adding. For adding, addition and subtraction would only be performed on proper numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not first. Ordinal number is English like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So so you could like first translate it into English. That would make it like easier for you. So when you have to add or subtract, you would say +5, +6, +7. You won't say +6, +7, right? Everyone clear now?
Yes, alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Okay, so now I think you guys could raise your hands and we could just start giving random numbers to check that everyone got it or not. Using that hand emoji that we talked about. I'm just going to like erase this one. Let's just say yes. Who is going to answer this one?
الساعة
Sadia.
الساعة السابعة على سابعة إلا
Yes, brother, you were saying something?
Isn't it السادس?
No, she's saying 7 o'clock except 10 minutes.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yes, yes.
إلا 10 دقائق.
Yes, إلا 10 دقائق. MashaAllah. Now let's see.
Brother Basit, in few cases we are using الدقيقة like in 10-10 والدقيقة, and sometimes we are doing الدقائق.
Yes.
How to, would you please explain on that?
Yeah, dakika would be used with the ordinal numbers. Okay, and the daqaiq would be used with the proper numbers.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, anyone? Yes, Brother Fatin, please.
الساعة الرابعة إلا ثلثة.
What's with the font? Okay. Illa sulsa. Perfect. Yes, anyone? Brother Aziz, would you want to try this one, brother?
Oh, okay. Let's see. This would be الساعة الخامسة إلا ربعا.
One more query. If illa comes in next, what should be nasab and heavy? Common?
Yes, yes. It shouldn't be actually. It's common in this case because it means like one row. That is why.
No, yeah, in this case or any
Yeah.
like 10-25, like الساعة العشرة والنصف إلا خمسا دقيقة, like that we have to write?
Yeah, khamsa daqaiq was like mudaf ilay. So khamsa has to be light.
Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Perfect, mashallah. As-sa'atul khamisatu illa rubu'. Okay, then I could just say 9:25. Sister Ghasia, would you want to try this one?
الساعة 9.
Ghasia. Yes.
والنصف إلى 5
خمسة دقائق والنصف إلا 5 دقائق.
دقائق. لا
Yes.
5 دقائق.
Alhamdulillah. الساعة التاسعة والنصف إلا 5 دقائق. Okay, I think we could try one more. Okay, who would try this one? someone who hasn't tried till yet. Sister Iram, would you want to try this one?
If you tell me for what is the word for
Sabia. Asabia.
8? Should I use 8 or should I use 7?
I would have gone with 730 plus 5.
Okay. Okay. Asatiu. That is Sabatu.
Sabia.
Sabya. Sabya 2, right? Va nisfu.
Yeah, 1 nisfu.
Dakika Khamsa.
Wa khamsu daqaiq. In this case, it's going to be marfu'a.
Okay, so digit will come first.
Yeah.
Khamsa Dakaiq.
That is how with Arabic number is. Number always comes first. Number is mudaf from 3 to like 10. Number is mudaf, and the thing that the number is about is mudaf ilayh.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, I think this is good. Everyone got it, alhamdulillah. So I think we could stop the session over here. There were few drills, but since it is being recorded, I don't want to record the book. So you could try this yourself. And if there is any question, you could just post it.
It's clear, alhamdulillah, brother Pastor. Jazakallah khair.
Yeah. So I think let's just stop the session over here then. And we could talk after the session, after the recording.